we're bringing Dad some lunch. This is our first time on the site. This material is crazy.
Super. Now you finally see what I was telling you.
It actually looks 100 million times better already, just from what we cut off the driveway.
So all the trenches look like this.
Oh my God.
Yeah, we got to go down deeper there.
This looks like a natural made swale.
Yeah, it looks like shit. Whoever did it, garbage.
It's all rock. It's literally rock.
It's a rock house.
That is so crazy.
Okay, we had one trench go through right here.
Yep. And then we're going to bring the grade up. We're probably going to go 6 to 8 inches above that grade right there, build this whole pad up, get everything laid out, dig our piers so they could do drainage. So how they originally had this set up, they didn't account for the drainage around the perimeter.
Yeah.
They were literally going to, all this was going to come.
And go right to the foundation.
The slab was going to be right here.
Oh my God. Yeah. And wash it right out, huh? That's crazy material though. I'm
not touching that wall. They said everything should be good on this wall.
Jesus, it's very brittle.
Yeah. But it's really hard. It's kind of hard to explain.
This big old chunk of debris was on the wall when we left last time.
Oh my God.
We could probably pull up a picture.
Yeah, it was on the wall when we left last time because that was clean around the whole edge.
Wow.
So I have to flat out this dirt right now.
Yeah, this was all dug out. The contractor who was here before us who tried digging it out, dug all this out. But that's not what the plans called for. Nope. So now Dad has to refill this whole area and then redig where the piers are going.
We leave here, I recommend just turning around and going out that way.
Yeah, don't go out.
Because if you go out this way, it turns into the hills have eyes real quick.
You're not lying.
It goes from like this house right here being the last decent house to like just trash and
scary
trailers like this everywhere.
Oh my God.
Like trailers held up by like regular pallets. Like, oh Lord.
Foundation. Pallets. Oh my gosh, this is the septic. Wow. What? The septic's not even buried. Are you kidding me? What is this?
You're finally getting to see what we saw last week.
Oh my God.
What is that?
It's the septic tanks.
It's supposed to be completely buried.
Yeah, oh my God.
And it's supposed to have like
Yeah, they're losing their
4 foot of coverage.
Wow. This is a very different project than we're used to. Glad we could come up here and utilize our skills.
Really rocky situation.
Being such
Is this place just straight up rock? The big old rock and that just stood.
See what you got, Trae. Trae's first time in the excavator. It's hard, hun. He's like so confused. It's hard, baby. It's okay. Okay. That was good. He goes.
Let's see if you can pull that grade right there.
Yeah.
Taking this side, let's see.
That's pretty good.
Not bad.
Yeah. Smart. Push it to the side a little.
It's so crazy how fast kids pick up stuff.
Dude, I know, they're little sponge brains.
I'm telling you, it took me a while.
Babe, I still can. I've been in a 210. And I'm like, I still can't do it. It's the multitasking. It's like 4 things at once. I can't do it. I mean, I could do it if I had to, but if someone's like, let me see you in that thing, I'm like, nah.
Had more stick time than me in the last 3 months. I can hear it.
They got improved when I first got it.
Oh my gosh.
I found my groove.
How was it?
Very touchy.
It's
good.
How's the multitasking?
It's pretty crazy.
It's hard to get used to at first, huh?
Yeah.
But it looked like you got used to it because you started doing real good.
At first, when I like started getting slack at like a bump, I knew it was just off. It feels softer. So
That's why Dad gets paid the big bucks.
For some reason, I was getting warm in the window.
Well, because Dad has a heated seat and a heater. Come here. Yeah, you were doing really good. Literally, you were just barely
keeping it. First time.
Yep, you were keeping it to grade instead of going deeper and deeper.
Yeah, because Dad taught me, like, you go back. What the? How do you drop it and then just put it back on?
He has a button. Yeah. Now he's gonna compact it. Let's go over here and watch him compact.
How does I compact it?
It like smashes everything, and how it smashes with those little like nipple type things on there. It gets all the air pockets out.
Just text Dad or something. When he needs me, just text.
When he needs you, text him? Okay. Will do. Glad you had fun. You did so. You are definitely your dad's kid. It runs in your blood, boy. I tell you what. What are you doing up here? Excuse me. I don't like this situation going on. Well, hello there, beautiful princess. You're so beautiful.
Mom.
Is that your dada?
Mom. Dad?
You said what?
I do it all day.
You could do what all day?
Just learn.
Operate?
I gotta get in my blanket.
Bruh. Cold, huh? It's 37, but it feels colder.
Oh.
Come on, babe.
Mom.
She got her daddy.
Up here, look at this. It said no snow. We got the sun coming out right now. Snowing. Gotta love that mountain weather. Here's our little bore that we had to find underneath this main road. We got the shill. Yep, this is just going to be kind of a little bit of work. Let's go! The contractor that originally dug this didn't go deep enough. going on, bud? What's going on?
What time is that at your place?
It's the same time as yours.
Oh, 7. Yeah. Our latest is 12:30, and then we're gonna be there, but here's 5 days.
Yeah, what's going on? Oh, you know, working? You don't even play PlayStation.
It says, what does it say again? Everything to play for. Everything to play for, that's what it says. And the back, the sword, it looks like it got bumpy on yours.
It's very bumpy right here. I'm digging through rock.
Digging through rock?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and this is your next.
Can't wait to see you guys.
Same. I agree. I love your face. I love when you make us laugh. I love when you take on me.
Bye.